went and picked my truck up from the shop. Believe it or not, I'm too lazy. I didn't want to do my front diff oil seals. So I had another shop do it for me. We get back to the shop and Jaden's been standing here for 5 minutes because he needed a razor blade to put his smoking visors on. What a guy. So I bought the most ridiculous vehicle on Marketplace. I don't even have Facebook, but I had 3 different people send me this vehicle and they said you should just buy this. And so I went and looked at it. I didn't even look at it very good. it started and it drove, and so I bought it. So this is what I ended up with. It's a 2000 Volkswagen Beetle, but it does have the 1.9 liter diesel engine in it. I know nothing about these cars, but it's pretty sweet. Come check it out. It's got a lift kit on it, custom made, home built, 2-inch lift kit. It's got BFGs on it. I've never seen a Beetle with BFGs. White wall is always out though, obviously. But we got some plans for this car. I kind of like it now that I'm driving it around, but I bought it for one purpose, and I'm not going to tell you that purpose right now, but I do have a good idea that I want to do with it. But yeah, this is the new unit. So she's got some rust on it. I think we're going to grab some paint and might touch her up a little bit, maybe slap some logos on her. But it's got a straight pipe exhaust, 4-inch tip on there, homemade, looks pretty deadly. But yeah, this is the unit. Like, she rips. She puts you back in your seat anyways. Nice intercooler just hanging down there. Light bar, because these lights suck, but you turn that light bar on and oh, it just lights everything up. Well, I think it needs some logos. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Some people know. And we gotta get some paint. You guys gotta hear how this thing sounds though. Here, Carter, hold this. Oh, we're rolling. You back. Okay, let's rip. We're gonna go get some paint and some stickers. She rolls cold pretty good too, so we'll have to do a couple drive-bys so you guys can check her out. All right. Should probably rinse it off really quick. Okay, we'll get a rust primer. How many cans of this do you think we need? Just, like, if we're only touching
probably 2.
2 cans, you think? Okay.
2 cans would be lots.
All right, let's go. What have you?
We got the goods.
Got the goods. Get rid of the face diaper. The shop is a mess right now, but there's a lot on the go. This is a 2012 6.7 Power Stroke, but it had a 2015 Power Stroke engine put in it, and then that engine blew, and now this is a 2017 Power Stroke. So having to swap that over, there's a bunch of stuff you have to swap. Whole front cover, just nuts. Oil pans, all this stuff. Pretty much everything you see here is all I didn't have to move over. Also, this is the new toy. My father and I purchased it. He paid 2/3, I paid 1/3 kind of deal. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you want some videos kind of on like off-roading with, you know, ATVs, dirt bikes, side-by-sides like this. We're probably gonna take the Beetle off-roading this weekend. So I'm gonna bring this out too in case we get stuck, we can tow it out. We're gonna put a new winch cable on it just because the guy that I bought it from had this, I don't know what kind of jabroni setup that is, but we're gonna I got a new cable here, so we'll spool a new cable on so that when we go off-roading on the weekend with the Beetle, if we get stuck in the mud or whatever, we can drag it out with that. So stay tuned for that video. That'll be the next video, is off-roading with the Beetle. Maybe we'll even get some air with it, I'm not sure yet. So what, let's grind all the paint. Hey Bronx, what do you figure?
Get that off of there.
Grind the paint that's missing and we'll just spray bomb it with primer and gloss black paint. This is actually how you do auto body work. You just grind the old crap off, spray some primer, get a rattle can, spray some new paint on, good as new. Oh baby. Mint. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. We'll see. All the auto body guys watching right now are just like, no, you can't just do that, but we can do that. Is this supposed to be gray?
I think so.
Oh yeah. It's gonna look so bad. Beauty. Okay, she's all primed up. Let's try painting. This is so bad. Look at how much overspray there was. Oh, buddy.
Oh, that's just touched up nice.
Looks good.
You can't even tell.
Auto body shops will want to charge you like $3,000 for this. There's just some scratches and scuffs here. I'm just kind of doing the whole thing. Like, I don't know, really. Look at this. This is a blue. This is blue. See, it doesn't match. Problem solved.
Blue be gone.
Blue be gone. I kind of just went crazy. It felt pretty good, so I ended up doing the whole entire car on one can of this rust protector paint. So I did everything, like literally everything except for the roof. I didn't do the roof, but whatever, you don't see the roof much either. Look at this, I just blasted over these chrome emblems and stuff too. Now they're blacked out, so that's way cooler. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. I wonder what it will look like in the sun. Probably not as sweet as in the shop, but man, you know, could probably resell this thing for twice what I paid. All right, while we're waiting for the paint to dry on the Beetle, we're just quickly gonna bring this Commander outside and spool a new winch cable on it. And then after that, I think we're gonna do a couple pulls on the street, get this thing rolling coal. Man, I'm a little lightheaded though. I think I breathed in a lot of paint there. Yahtzee.
Okay, go hit the button. I guess you could freewheel it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go slow.
Does that have to be perfect when I spool it?
No, because as you go out and go back in and this gets wore out, it'll kind of take its form.
You can winch it right so it gets stuck in there.
Okay. Sweet.
Sweet deals. Well, here she is. It actually like doesn't look that bad. You can tell it's spray painted, but you can't see patches or nothing. So, and we didn't mask nothing off. We just spray painted the thing. It was wet in some places, even here. But no, she looks good. She looks ready to rip. So yeah, let's go take her for a rip and see what this baby can do. do you think, Bronx? Pretty sweet, eh? Oh yeah. She rips. Go park this bad boy. Probably drive the truck today. I also forgot to mention this thing has bigger injector tips. I think the guys said they were 0.260. I don't know much about injectors on TDIs, but apparently that's pretty good, so we'll see. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you got any ideas for the Beetle, because I kind of just bought it literally to trash it on the channel. There is one big grand finale I want to do to it before I completely wreck it though. So I want to keep it drivable right now. Also, yeah, let me know if you want to see some side-by-side action or quads, dirt bikes, that kind of stuff. If you're into that, like me, which I'm assuming if you're watching, you know, diesel content, that you're probably also into stuff like that. I pretty much like anything with motors, so let me know. But yeah, we're gonna go, today's Thursday, so on Saturday, I think I'll take this thing out to the pits around here. We'll probably have a couple quads. They'll have the side-by-side. We might have dirt bikes out there, not sure. But we're gonna drive around with this thing and we're just gonna beg the piss out of it. So make sure you watch for that video, that'll be next. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Check out the Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video.